Okay, let's have another example. So I have here integral from 1 to 2 of 2y squared plus 1 dy all over y cubed plus 2y squared plus y. So all we need to do is to divide, factor out the denominator para malaman natin kung anong case siya. So let's integral from 1 to 2 of 2y squared plus 1 dy all over y is common to all. So that's y squared plus 2y plus 1. And that gives us integral from 1 to 2 of 2y squared plus 1 dy all over y times the quantity y plus 1, since y squared plus 2y plus 1 is a perfect trinomial square. So, since meron tayo ritong degree 1 na hindi inulit, so this is y plus 1, that's a linear equation, a linear factor na ni-repeat twice. So this is a combination of case 1 and 2. So our integrand is 2y squared plus 1 over. So let us try to resolve this into partial fractions. So for case 1, all we need to do is to divide your arbitrary constant sa iyong factor plus b over, so y plus 1 squared, that's case 2, y plus 1, plus c over y plus 1 raised to the second power. So since this is the associated partial fraction to this given integrand, so imumultiply na natin siya sa kanyang LCD. And this degree determines the number of arbitrary constants. So you have y multiplied by y plus 1 squared. So this becomes 2y squared plus 1 because this cancels out with your LCD is equal to a, y here, and then you have y plus 1 raised to the second power because y cancels out, plus b, y times y plus 1, may matitirang y plus 1 here, and then another y there, so y times y plus 1, plus c multiplied by y. So expanding, you have y squared plus 1 is a, y squared plus 2y plus 1, plus b, y squared plus y by distributing this y in each term inside this parenthesis, plus cy. And then, we are now to use equating coefficients. So again, sa equating coefficients, titingnan lang natin ang highest exponent appearing. So we have squared as the highest exponent, so lalagay lang natin dito ay y squared. And then find all the numerical coefficients of y squared on the left and then equate sa lahat ng coefficients on the right. So notice here that 2 is the coefficient of y squared, so that's why it's 2 equal to, wala na dito. So for this a, meron tayong 1 preceded by a, so that is a, plus kay b may y squared preceded by b, so that is b. So this will serve as our equation 1. Then pababa tayo, y squared, so y to the 1 now. So sa left side wala, so because this is 2y squared plus 1. So on the right side, we have 2 preceded by a, so that's 2a. We have 1 here preceded by b, so that's b. And then y para kay c. This will serve as my equation 2. And then for y to the 0, which is the constant term, 1 on the left equals 1 on the right preceded by a. b wala, c wala. So this will serve as my equation 3, a is equal to 1. So from here, if a is equal to 1, I can solve for the value of b using equation 2. So substituting, you have 2 is equal to 1 plus b, then b is equal to positive 1 by transposing this 1 on the left side of the equation. So having that solved, masasolve ko na rin ang value ng c. So we have 0 is equal to 2 times a, whose value is 1, plus b, whose value is 1, plus c. So c here is negative 3, since 2 plus 1 is 3, transposed to the left is negative 3. Then we have our integrand now becomes integral from 1 to 2 of the quantity a, the value of a here is 1 over y, plus b, the value of b is 1 over y plus 1, plus c, which is negative 3 over y plus 1 raised to the second power dy. So integrating each, so that's 1/2 dy over y, that's 1, integral from 1 to 2, it's not 1/2, plus integral from 1 to 2 of dy over y plus 1, plus integral from 1 to 2 of 3. So you have here negative 3. So you have to put that outside because that's a constant. So I can put that outside. So we have here negative 3. We have y plus 1 raised to negative 2. Since this positive, iangat natin becomes negative 2 dy. So that's ln of y from 1 to 2 plus ln of y plus 1. Let me erase that. We have y plus 1 from 1 to 2 minus 3. This is general power formula. You have y plus 1 raised to negative 1 over negative 1. Of course, from 1 to 2. So applying the limits by substituting upper minus lower. So sa first term natin, that's ln 2 minus ln 1. So ln of upper, that's 2, minus ln of lower, that's ln 1. Second term, we have ln of 2 plus 1 minus ln of 1 plus 1. So that's our second term. So para sa third term, this is negative 3 divided by negative 1 is positive 3 over, sige, let me rewrite that first. Y plus 1 from 1 to 2. Then we have here ln 2. ln 1 is 0 plus ln 3 minus ln 2. ln 3 minus ln 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 1. That's upper limit minus 3 over 1 plus 1. ln 2 cancels out, and that gives us ln 3. This is equal to 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. This is minus 3/2. So this is negative 1/2 plus ln 3. So therefore, our answer here, so let me erase that case 1 and case 2. So our answer therefore is ln of 3. 1 minus 3/2 is negative 1/2 plus ln of 3. So the answer there is negative 1/2 plus ln of